with about 40 years of industrial and skilling experience and having trained about 30,000 students across Gujarat. We are coming up with a 5-day workshop known as Placement Oblique Professional Employment Program in the month of April. Namaste, I am Shailesh Thakur, Chief Training Officer of YCG Group, who are involved in training activity and consulting activity. Our flagship program is training students and working professionals for employability enhancement. So we are coming up with a 5-day program at Baroda Management Association in the month of April. This is for students who are really yearning to get a career of their choice. It may be a final year student, it may be a first year students. It is also for the working professionals who are really wanting to change the job or who really want an increment or a promotion in their organization. Remember, you will learn a lot. What you will learn? Learning marketing self to the corporate, which may include resume writing, which may include handling AI resumes, AI interviews, and salary negotiation, etc. The flyer is attached here. Go through the flyer, go to the website and register your name. Please note it is on FIFO basis because seats are limited. There are only 30 seats, 10 already registered. Thank you. See you in the month of April.